Interchange of the degree of comparison. So, how you will understand or recognize the sentences? So, if a sentence is in positive degree, it has as, then one adjective or one adverb, and then again as, or it will be having so, and then one adjective or an adverb in between, and then again as. So if this is there in the sentence is in a positive degree. Then a sentence is in comparative degree if it has then. If then is there in the sentence, so you will understand that this sentence is in comparative degree. And if a sentence contains the before a degree, then it is in superlative degree. So if the is there, it is superlative degree. So in this way you will recognize the sentences. Remember, a sentence with as, adjective or adverb, then again as, or so and as, the sentence is positive, and the sentence with then, that sentence is comparative degree, and the sentence with the, it is the superlative degree. So let's understand the same thing with examples. So first we'll talk about the positive degree with as and so and as. So here the examples are, no other boys of our class is so rich as villain. Here so and as is used along with the rich, which is adjective in between. And the second one, few kings were as great as Akbar. Here as along with one adjective in between, that is great, and then again as. So this kind of sentences are of positive degree. Now let's see the sentences of comparative degree. The sentences with then. So see the example, Velen is richer than any other boy of our class. Here the sentence is with then. So you will understand this sentence is of comparative degree. Now superlative degree, the sentence with the. So see the example, Velen is the richest boy of our class. So here the word the came before the superlative degree, that is the richest. So this is the sentence of superlative degree. Now see the main structure of these degrees. This format, this structure is used when we change this degree into another degree without changing the meaning. So the formation of the sentence of superlative degree is subject plus verb plus the or one of the plus superlative degree plus modifier. And for comparative degree, subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus then any other or then most other plus modifier. And the positive degree is formed like no other or very few out of two any one plus modifier plus verb plus as plus positive degree, any word of positive degree, then plus as plus subject. So in this way the formation of the sentences when we change one degree to another degree without changing the meaning of the sentence. Let's understand the formation of the sentences through example. So for superlative degree, the formation, the structure is subject plus verb plus the or one of the plus superlative degree plus modifier. So see the example, Velen is the richest boy of our class. Here Velen is subject, is verb, then the came before the superlative degree, then plus superlative degree, the richest is the superlative degree word, and then the modifier. So boy of our class, this part of the sentence is the modifier. Now let's see the other example. Suresh was one of the cleverest boy of our school. In this, Suresh's subject was his verb plus one of the, then superlative degree. Cleverest is the superlative degree and plus modifier. So boy of our school is the modifier in the sentence. Now let's understand the structure of comparative degree. So the format is subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus then any other or the most other plus modifier. So the example is Velen is richer than any other boy of our class. Here Velen is subject, is verb, richer is comparative degree plus then any other, then plus modifier. So boy of our class is the modifier in this sentence. Let's see the other example. Suresh was cleverer than most other boys of our school. Here Suresh is subject, what was his verb, then plus comparative degree. So cleverer is the comparative degree plus then most other plus modifier. So boys of our school is the modifier here in this sentence. Let's learn about the structure of positive degree. The sentence starts in this way: no other or very few. Out of these two, any one will be there in the sentence in the beginning, plus modifier plus verb plus as or so, any one of these two, plus positive degree plus as plus subject. So see the example. No other boy of the class is so rich as Velen. So no other, then the modifier, boy of the class is modifier, is verb, then we'll take so here, then positive degree rich and subject Velen. See the next example. Very few boys of the class is as clever as Suresh. Here sentence with very few, then modifier boy of the class, verb is, then as, clever is the positive degree, then as, and then Suresh, which is the subject in the sentence. Now look at the following table. Here 3 sets under each degree is given. For superlative degree, only the will be used in the sentence, and for changing the same superlative to comparative, we will use then any other, and while changing into positive, no other will come in the sentence. So this is the one set of words in the degrees. Now see the second set of the sentence. Under superlative degree, one of the, under comparative, then most other, and while changing it into positive, very few or few, both are correct. So this way we will use the sets of the sentence while changing from any one degree to other degree without changing its meaning. So let's see the first set of sentence example with the first set of sentence. From superlative only the, for comparative, from comparative then any other, and from positive no other. So let's see the example. The University of Chittagong is the largest university in Bangladesh. So here the word is used for the superlative, and while changing the same sentence into comparative, we will write the University of Chittagong is larger than University in Bangladesh. So here in comparative degree, for changing the superlative degree into comparative degree, we will add then any other. Now let's see the positive sentence. No other, as it is shown in the structure in the table here, no other university in Bangladesh is as large as University of Chittagong. So this is the first set of this table. Now let's go with the second set. So the superlative degree sentence will be like this. The University of Chittagong is one of the most. So here one of the words are used. Now let's see the second set of this table. So for superlative degree, one of the. So the sentence is like this. The University of Chittagong is one of the most famous university in Bangladesh. For comparative degree, then most other. So how it is used? The University of Chittagong is more famous than most other university in Bangladesh. And for positive degree, very few or few. So the sentence is, very few university in Bangladesh are as famous as the University of Chittagong. So children, this table is very important, and if you follow or you remember this table, you will be able to get the answer or change the sentence from any degree to any degree. As we just now learnt the format of as plus adjective or adverb plus as, or so plus adjective or adverb plus as, the same format will be applied here. So the example is, Arif is better than Sarif. So it will change into positive, like Sarif is not as good as Arif. So here the sentence changed from positive to negative without changing its meaning. Now the same sentence from negative to positive. Arif is not better than Sarif. So the positive will be, Sarif is as good as Arif. So in this way we'll change the sentence from positive to negative and negative to positive without changing its meaning. Let's see the other set of example. Egon is not less brilliant than Anik. So Egon is as brilliant as Anik. And from positive to negative, Egon is less brilliant than Anik. Egon is not as brilliant as Anik. So in this way we'll change from positive to negative and negative to positive.